There goes the feather that just landed on me somewhere. So everybody, yeah, the feather just landed on me just as I was looking at my video, and in my video I was calling it a very funny and uplifting video from story from my life. I'll put the link somewhere around here, okay? And just as I was saying at the end, like, one love, one family, and a little small, soft, fluffy feather landed on me. So yeah, synchronicities happen in unusual and beautiful and unexpected ways, and expected ways too. Because I expect number synchronicities, but always just like live from your heart, everyone. The more we can raise our vibration and let go of the blocks that are holding us down and bogging us back, we will naturally float to the surface like a ball under the sea. When we're swimming in the sea, we will naturally rise and float like boom. So let go of the blocks, tune into our hearts. Like I say before, the most important for me, my mantras are kindness and compassion. They will sort you out. They'll let go and they'll open you up like a lotus flower, like a beautiful flower in the morning, opening up to the sunshine, like a sunflower or a dandelion or any other daisy, anything. There's millions of flowers. Flowers and fruits have a beautiful, very high frequency, everyone. I definitely enjoy and recommend eating as pure and natural a diet as possible. I personally like raw veganism, and if others want to, I just would tend to suggest raw omnivore if people feel like eating animal products or anything like that. But cooking isn't very pure or natural, and for the most part. But yeah, there's a ton of ways we can raise the vibration, everyone. Tons of ways. Tons of ways we can stop lowering our vibration and let go. And then, like a big, beautiful ball, will boom, bob up to the surface. So, yeah, I'll make another video on that because right now I just always love to be barefoot and get the sun. They're two of my favorite ways to naturally get energy and to raise our vibration, everybody. And to receive energy, yeah. Well, happy days to you, lots of love, and have a beautiful day. And today's my mum's birthday, on the 24th of August. So this won't be released today, but yeah, have a lovely day, take care, and lots of love, and thanks for watching. And do join my family, or our family, should I say, but join the club, join the group, One Love, One Family, my YouTube channel here. And do please consider to share with other people to receive these messages. And thanks so much for your love and support, your compassion, your kindness, and your friendliness. I'll see you again in another video. Take care.